just cut and programmed, or well, nope, I just cut this key on my framing Sidewinder 2, which I do love because it doesn't break. You can do a lot to it and it'll keep going, except cut a Honda key on it. If you cut a Honda key, you got to cut it like 20 times. Do these little like half cut or half space cuts. I'm in another Focus. This is a 2012 and key. Again, the key, it's cleaner than what it actually looks like, trust me. Just this camera's picking up hella detail. Oh, I forgot to turn the ignition on. Ignition's on. No cluster. I'm gonna add key. Total 2 keys. We're gonna do a 10-minute wait. There's a cluster. Oh, getting a phone call. Oh man, this is so hard to pick up. 76%. Alright, this is about to finalize. 96%. It's trying to zoom in on the reflection. %, 99. See if it reboots the cluster. This is communicating. Please wait. Oh, the ADHD is kicking in. Oh, fight it. Must fight it. Still says communicating, please wait. Burp, burp. Now it says success. No reboot. Interesting. Okay. We are going to turn the key off. I'm going to pull it out so I can get a break from the door chime. Oh, what a nice sound this silence is. Vroom, vroom. Ignition. Oh, oh. Put the programmer back. Flip the door shut. And I am going to try to introduce my remote to this vehicle. We're going to do 4 on, 2 off. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a beep. I didn't hear a beep. Let's see if it worked. Crap. Hey, it worked. And the trunk has a whole lot of ice and crap on it, so let's lock the door. Let's unlock the door. Open. Didn't hear a chime to initiate the remote, but you know. Alright, there's have ignition. Good to go. Au revoir.